guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video inside of text effect on Canva. So I'm just going to type in the word example. I'm also going to select a bolder font than this. And I'm going to just place it in the middle. Go to the colors section. You can choose any color that you want. I'm going to select this purple. I'm going to copy and paste, and I'll select the, hold on, this one, copy and paste. Go to effects and select hollow, and you can adjust the thickness of it as well and place it on top. Go to elements and search for like this type of video. You can also do like water, smoke, whatever you want. Go to edit video and select background remover. Then I'm going to select this and I'm going to right click, go to layers, and I'm going to place it underneath the text like this. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!